I've been using this 300 watt incandescent General Electric light bulb right here in the basement because I had an LED light bulb in there. I think it was a 200 watt equivalent, and I hit it with my head and it broke because these sit down pretty low. And I've been very careful not to hit my head on this bulb because I get hot glass all over me. And right there I got, I think that's a 200 watt equivalent LED, but I am going to replace this now with this 300 watt equivalent Fiat electric LED. I think I'm going to be more careful from now on and not hit my head on the bulbs because, that's happened a couple times now. Here's the box for it. It is a 300 watt equivalent. So, let's see, this is a non-dimmable bulb, which doesn't surprise me. I don't think many people would be using a bulb this bright in a dimmable fixture, so let's take this one out. I'm gonna just, okay, yeah, it's not that hot. Finish unscrewing this one and then we'll put the LED in. Well, we definitely need that light bulb. I mean, there's other lights down here, and there's over there where I usually record my videos, and there's a light bulb there. But there's definitely something missing with this light bulb not being here, so first of all, let's take a look at the incandescent one. I'm definitely going to keep this bulb. Yeah, it's a GE incandescent, and it is 130 volts. So this would be a longer life bulb on 120 volts, and it's got a heat shield right there inside of it. Very nice light bulb. So let's put the LED in. See how much power this uses. 33 watts, and yeah, that's another reason that I'm putting this in place of it, because I want something that draws less power. And yeah, this one is rated at 120 volts. So let's install it. And get some light down here. And there we go. That is very bright. Definitely lighting the area up nicely, along with the other light bulbs. And saving a lot of energy in the process, that's for sure. Like I said, I'm going to keep this bulb just as a backup, and I would never get rid of a working light bulb anyway, because it's just not how I am. So right over here, this is a 100 watt equivalent LED bulb. This looks just like a regular incandescent bulb, but it's actually a frosted LED filament bulb. That one right there is a 200 watt equivalent LED, and that's where it is in relation to that new 300 watt equivalent and the 100 watt. And right there is another one of those 100 watt equivalent LEDs that looks like a regular incandescent bulb. And over here where the workbench is, where I usually make my videos, got fluorescent tubes and a compact fluorescent light bulb right there in that socket. So plenty of good lighting down here. And there are those light bulbs. That's the new 300 watt, 200 watt, and the 100. There's one more light down here by the boiler. Right here. Turn this one on. This is an LED. I'm not sure what wattage it is, but it lights the area up pretty good, so we can actually see stuff back here. And these fluorescent tubes over here, these are 40 watts each, cool white General Electric bulbs.